Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you love cooking or just want to make it easier, today's video is packed with amazing kitchen gadgets you will want to try out. Hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome kitchen gadgets reviews. Let's check out gadget number 1, Mueller Pro-Series. Transform your kitchen game with the Mueller Pro-Series 10-in-1 vegetable chopper. Chop, dice, slice or mince with its 8 ultra-sharp blades, perfect for onions, potatoes and even eggs. Say goodbye to messy prep with the built-in container and enjoy quick, effortless meals. Your perfect partner for salads, fries and more. Chef and Garliczoom. Meet the Chef and Garliczoom, your tiny kitchen powerhouse. This compact chopper minces garlic effortlessly. Just roll it and you are done. No mess, no stress, just fresh garlic ready in seconds. Compact, easy to clean and a game changer for your cooking routine. Egg slicer. Slice like a pro with the CraftyCrocodile egg slicer with 3 slicing modes and heavy-duty stainless steel. It's perfect for eggs, strawberries, mushrooms and even cherry tomatoes. Precision, speed and versatility all in one handy tool. Elevate your kitchen game today. Gravity electric grinder. Say goodbye to manual grinding with the Gravity electric pepper and salt grinder set. Effortless one-hand operation lets you season while you cook, and the adjustable coarseness gives you perfect control over flavor. The LED light ensures precision even in dim light, and its stainless steel design adds a modern touch to your kitchen. Convenience, style and flavor all in one gadget. Nesting grill baskets. Transform your BBQ game with these nesting grill baskets made from durable 304 stainless steel. They are perfect for grilling veggies, shrimp and more without losing a single bite. The rolling design ensures even cooking, while the removable wooden handle keeps your hands safe. Ideal for camping, outdoor cooking or gifting. This is the ultimate tool for BBQ lovers. Nessie Ladle. Meet the Nessie Ladle, the cutest kitchen companion you will ever own. With its slouch nest design, it's not just a ladle, it's a centerpiece. Scoop soups, sauces or stews with ease, and watch it stand tall when not in use. Perfect gift for moms, foodies or anyone who loves unique and practical kitchen gadgets. Ecolution Micro Pop. Upgrade your movie nights with the Ecolution Micro Pop popcorn popper. Made from temperature safe glass, it's BPA free and eco-friendly. The 3-in-1 lid measures kernels, melts butter and ensures perfect popping every time. Dishwasher safe and hassle free. It's a healthier way to enjoy your favorite snacks. Say goodbye to bags and hello to better popcorn. Bicycle pizza cutter. Slice your pizza with style using the bicycle pizza cutter wheel. This stainless steel slicer isn't just practical, it's a fun gift for cyclists and pizza lovers alike. With its dual wheel design, it cuts through crust effortlessly, perfect for Father's Day, birthday or white elephant gift. It's the ultimate blend of fun and function. KitchenArt carousel. Take the guesswork out of cooking with the KitchenArt Select a Spice Carousel. This sleek stain-finished gadget stores your favorite spices and dispenses the perfect 1/4 teaspoon with a simple twist. Space-saving, stylish and mess-free. It's very chef's dream tool. Elevate your kitchen organization today. Wine stopper. Say hello to freshness with the elCorko silicone wine stopper. This sombrero-shaped stopper isn't just stylish, it keeps your wine perfectly sealed. Made from durable silicone, it's the ideal gift for wine lovers who appreciate a touch of fun. Keep the flavor alive and your bottles festive with elCorko. And that wraps up our list of 10 awesome kitchen gadgets. If you are interested in any of these, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next time.